Welcome to Insider Week. My name is Max Scholz, and in this video I'm going to show to you the trading results of our commodity and futures trading according to COT data for week number 44. We started into week number 44 with a portfolio that consisted of one open position, namely 19 long contracts in wheat. During the week we closed this position such that we end this week with an empty portfolio. Let's have a look at the trade in wheat. On the weekly chart you can see an uptrend in wheat. Furthermore, we received a buy signal. We receive our buy and sell signals by analyzing COT data, sentiment, and seasonal trend and other indicators as well. After observing our buy signal, we decided to trade this market long. On the daily chart, you can see that we waited for the right timing to enter this market. From the past, you can see that we traded this market successfully before, and because of the bullish setup, we gave it another try. After we were triggered, the market developed into the direction as expected. Nevertheless, the correction was deeper than expected, and because of that, we exited this market and were stopped out on Thursday. We decided to exit this market to save our profits because the probability for a trend reversal was pretty high, and thus we realized a total gain of $9,025. This market is still interesting to us, and if one of our entry pattern appears again, we are ready to take another long trade. We train our students of our coaching program how to apply our entry patterns. If you, as a futures trader or a beginner, want to take the next step and want an approach that is replicable, you can find the link to our website below our YouTube videos, and you can fill in your information, submit it, such that we can contact you in order to answer all your remaining questions. Let me now show to you how our coaching program works. For those who have joined our coaching program, the program lasts for 12 months and its plan is as follows. It consists of theory, simulated trading, and real money trading. After working through the theory, you will be ready to practice. Our coaching's focus is practice, as you can see on this roadmap. Theory is good, but success only comes through application. Now let's have a look at our second COT strategy, the so-called champion strategy. This week was not that successful in this strategy. We started into the week with a portfolio that consisted of 2 open positions, namely 13 long contracts in Bitcoin and 8 short contracts in the 10-year T-notes. At the end of this week, we are left with the open position in Bitcoin. During the week, we took some other trades that I will show you right now. In 10-year T-notes, we had 2 successful trades in the past. We entered this market again, but this time a trend reversal appeared, and consequently we were stopped out with a loss. Furthermore, we made a long trade in soybeans. We expected a breakout, however, price turned around and we were stopped out as well. Finally, we have one open position in Bitcoin. In harmony with seasonal trend, we decided to take a long trade in this market. Accordingly, we expect to see higher Bitcoin prices in harmony with the strong weekly uptrend. In total, this week we made a small loss of minus $2,662. This is considerably small compared to our total capital in our accounts of $840,000. We just come from 4 very profitable weeks, and at the moment we can see a consolidating period. Thus, we need to be patient until the next performance boost, as seen in the past. As a reminder, we now have a total equity of $837,000, and we started 8 years ago with an initial capital of $14,000. As always, let's have a look at the CRB index. We added a trend line to see the stable uptrend. Now we can see a small correction, and we expect it to be a correction and to see higher commodity prices at the end of this correction. For now, we need to be a bit more careful and we need to adjust our risk accordingly. Once the correction has ended, we can increase our risk again. Do you use consistent risk management in your trading? Please write it in the comments, and if you're already there, give this video a like such that we know that you're interested in getting to know more information about COT trading. To not miss out on this valuable information, please subscribe this YouTube channel. We wish you all many successful trades for the coming week, and we thank you for your attention. And as always, be aware of the risk, because risk management is the key to success in trading.